the rule of alternative explanations. This rule requires us to consider other ways of explaining an observation. Often we arrive at an explanation without conscious thought, but by jumping to conclusions based on our emotions, assumptions, and existing beliefs. That initial explanation can be difficult to dislodge. But if the goal is to know the real explanation, then we need to remember that we might be wrong and consider alternative explanations. Start by brainstorming. How many other explanations can you think of? What else could be the cause? Could there be more than one cause? Could it be a coincidence? Next, use Occam's razor to determine which of the explanations is the most likely. Occam's razor states that the explanation that requires the fewest new assumptions has the highest probability of being the right one. For example, one morning you wake up and find a broken glass on the floor. How did it get there? Brainstorm explanations. Maybe it was a burglar. Maybe it was a ghost. Maybe it was the cat. Test the explanations by looking for evidence. Okay, are there other signs that somebody was in your house? Like maybe a broken window or missing items? If not, the burglar explanation seems unlikely. The ghost explanation requires a massive new assumption for which we currently don't have proof: the existence of spirits. So while it is possible that a specter was in your house during the night and knocked over a glass, it seems even less likely than the burglar explanation, because it requires an additional unproven assumption for which there is no extraordinary evidence. On the other hand, you have seen your cat push objects off tables and counters. Now, you don't have definitive proof that the glass on the floor was the cat, but it was probably the cat.